everybody, Aussie Sackman exclusive right here. This is probably not going up on the YouTube channel, although maybe for content reasons I will. A couple of Sacks exclusively Bantams that my wife and I received today, and just a fun little fact. So we have number 43 out of 1 to 40, which I turned 43 2 weeks ago, and we have number 58, which seems to be my number all of a sudden. I've been teasing her because I have the bigger, tougher knife, because as per the scales, once they tear up, 28.7 grams, and the wife's knife 28.6, and no matter how many times we've done this, same thing. 28.7, back to 0. 28.6. Girl's knife, boy's knife. Love you guys. Rock on.